Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group9 and today we would like to present our project titled StudyShare. StudyShare is a web-based platform designed to support the sharing and reuse of educational resources among students. Through these platforms, students can easily access, share and manage learning materials while promoting sustainable learning practices. Now I will introduce our group members. So my name is Rabita Adawiyah binti Mat Azli and we have Nur Ain Natasha as our leader and Nur Diana Batisha and also Maisara Kuratu Aini. So, students often face difficulties in accessing education resources needed for their studies. So, education materials such as textbooks, notes, reference books, and learning devices can be expensive and not always easily available. In addition, many useful resources become unused after a semester ends. Existing sharing methods are often unorganized, making it difficult for students to find and access the resources they need. Therefore, there is a need for a centralized platform that can support educational resource sharing more effectively. Nowadays, many students experience a financial burden when purchasing educational materials and learning tools. So, educational resources are often wasted because they are no longer used after a course is completed. In addition, existing platforms provide limited support for sharing physical education resources such as textbooks, calculators, and also laptops. To address these issues, StudyShare was developed with three objectives. First, to develop a web-based resource sharing platform. Secondly, to provide centralized resource management where users can easily upload, search, and access education resources. Third, to encourage resource reuse and reduce waste through sustainable sharing practices. The target users of StudyShare include students, lecturers, and academic researchers. So the platform supports various education resources such as notes, textbooks, learning tools, and study devices. So before developing our system, we reviewed several existing platforms, which include Studio2, which focuses on academic notes, Course Hero, which provides learning resources and study support, and also Google Drive, which offers file sharing services. Unlike these platforms, StudyShare supports both digital and physical education resource sharing in a centralized platform. Besides that, our project aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 9, which focuses on industry, innovation, and infrastructure. In terms of innovation, StudyShare provides a digital resource sharing platform. For infrastructure, it acts as a centralized learning resource hub. The platform improves accessibility by making educational resources easier to obtain. Finally, it promotes sustainability by encouraging the reuse of study resources and reducing educational waste. Now, as you can see, this table compares StudyShare with Studio2, Course Hero, and Google Drive. While the existing platforms mainly focus on digital resource sharing, StudyShare offers additional features such as physical resource sharing, resource categorization, and sustainability-focused practices. This makes StudyShare a more comprehensive platform for students and educators. The primary target users of StudyShare are university and college students, lecturers, and academic clubs. The platform provides affordable access to educational resources while encouraging resource sharing and reuse. This creates opportunities for collaboration and helps reduce unnecessary spending on educational materials. We also analyze several competing platforms, which is Google Drive provides easy file sharing. Studio2 offers a large collection of academic materials. Course Hero provides extensive study support. However, StudyShare differentiates itself by focusing on resource reuse, sustainability, and support for both digital and physical educational resources. Based on our SWOT analysis, StudyShare has several strengths, including centralized resource sharing, cost savings, and sustainability. However, the platform depends on active user participation and contribution. There are opportunities to expand the platform to more universities and academic institutions. At the same time, competition from existing platforms remains one of the main challenges. For our development methodology, we adopted the waterfall model. The development process begins with the requirement analysis, followed by system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. The waterfall model was chosen because it provides a structured and systematic approach for developing the StudyShare platform. That concludes my part. Thank you. And I would now like to pass the presentation to the next presenter.
StudyShare is a sustainable community web application developed to encourage students to share and reuse educational resources. The system supports both digital resources such as notes and ebooks and physical resources such as books, calculators, and laptops. In addition, the platform promotes sustainability through the EcoPoint reward system, where users can earn EcoPoints and badge based on their participation in resource sharing activities. The system follows a web-based architecture consisting of three main components. First, user access the system through a web browser. Second, the application layer, developed using PHP and Bootstrap, processes user requests and handles business logic. Third, the MySQL database stores all information related to users, resources, reservations, rating, and download. For physical resources, the system integrates OpenStreetMap nominating API to convert addresses into geographical coordinates and Leaflet Map API to display the location on an interactive map. The database consists of 6 main entities, which is users, resources, categories, reservations, rating, and downloads. The users entity store user information, while resources store details of digital and physical resources uploaded by user. Categories are used to classify resources into different types such as books, notes, and calculators. Reservation manage the borrowing process for physical resources. Ratings store user feedback, and downloads record digital resource download activities. The main relationship in the database is that one user can upload multiple resources while each resources belong to one category. Resources can also receive multiple ratings, reservation, and download record. The user interface was developed using Bootstrap 5 and follows responsive web design principles. This ensures that the system can be accessed effectively on desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. The design focuses on simplicity, ease of navigation, and accessibility. Key pages include login, dashboard, browse, resource, upload resource, resource detail, and profile page. Security features. Several security mechanisms have been implemented in the system. Passwords are encrypted using bcrypt hashing through the password_hash bracket function. Session management is used to prevent unauthorized access to protected pages. The system also protects against SQL injection attacks by validating and sanitizing user input before database operations are executed. API integration. The system integrates two external API. OpenStreetMap nominating API is used for geocoding addresses into latitude and longitude coordinates, while Leaflet Map API is used to display resource location on an interactive map. For the development tools, we use PHP as the backend programming language to handle the system logic and functionality. MySQL was used as the database management system to store user, resource, and transaction data. Bootstrap 5 was implemented to create a responsive and user-friendly interface. We also use XAMPP as the local development environment for running the web server and database during development. In addition, Supabase was integrated for cloud backup and data synchronization purpose.
Website page overview. The register and login pages allow users to create accounts and securely access the system. After logging in, users are directed to the dashboard, which serves as the main navigation hub and displays personalized information. The Browse Resources page enables users to search and explore available study materials, while the Resource Details page provides detailed information for both digital and physical resources. Users can contribute materials through the Upload Resource page and manage their share content using the My Resources page. Finally, the Profile page displays user information, echo points, badges, and subscription plans, while the Sustainability dashboard tracks user contributions, including resources share, reservation made, reviews submitted, and overall environmental impact. System features. First, the system uses a dual processing architecture that handles both digital and physical resources. Digital resources are uploaded and stored efficiently, while physical resources are managed through a reservation system that prevents duplicate bookings. Second, the platform includes an echo points and gamification system. Users earn 10 points for uploading resources and 5 points for reserving physical items. These points contribute to rank upgrades and achievement badges. Third, geospatial integration allows physical resources to be located through an interactive map. User-provided addresses are converted into coordinates and displayed using map technology. Finally, StudyShare supports a monetization model with basic and premium memberships upgrade. Premium membership plans. Users can upgrade to premium for RM5 per month through an integrated payment gateway system. Functional testing. For core user flows, we test resource type switching between digital and physical resources, verify successful digital resource uploads, check the reservation process for physical resources, and ensure dashboard metrics were updated correctly after completed transaction. We also perform component and accessibility testing by validating hover, focus, and button interaction states. In addition, form validation was tested to ensure that users receive clear and accessible error messages were required, fields are left empty. The results confirm that all major system functions operated correctly, data was updated accurately, and the platform provided a user-friendly and accessible experience. Next is user manual. First, users can create an account through the registration page and then log in to access the dashboard. Next, users can upload either digital resources such as notes and ebooks or physical resources such as textbooks and calculators. Each successful upload rewards the user with 10 eco points. User can also browse available resources using the search and category filters. Digital resources can be downloaded directly, while physical resources can be reserved for collection. Each reservation grants 5 eco points. Finally, users can submit ratings and reviews after using a resource. This feedback helps other students evaluate the quality and usefulness of the shared materials.
The objective of StudyShare was successfully achieved. First, we developed a web-based platform that allows students to share educational resources easily. Second, the system provides a centralized platform where users can upload, browse, search, and access learning materials. Finally, StudyShare encourages the reuse of educational resources, helping students save costs while promoting sustainability and reducing educational waste. StudyShare offers several advantages to students. It helps reduce educational expenses through resources sharing and reuse. The platform also encourages knowledge sharing among students and create collaborative learning environment. In addition, StudyShare provide organized resource management, making educational material easier to find and access. Most importantly, it supports sustainability by reducing unnecessary waste of educational resources. Despite its benefits, StudyShare has several limitations. The platform relies heavily on user-generated content, meaning its success depends on active participation from students. As a new platform, the user community may initially be small, resulting in limited available resources. In addition, the system requires continuous maintenance and updates to ensure reliable performance and security. In the future, StudyShare can be further enhanced by developing a mobile application to improve accessibility. Additional features such as AI-based recommendations, user ratings and review, and real-time chat can improve user experience. The platform can also be expanded to more universities and strengthened with enhanced security measures to support long-term growth and sustainability. In conclusion, StudyShare provides an innovative platform that enables students to share and access educational resources more effectively. The platform encourages collaboration, reduces educational costs, and promotes sustainability through resource reuse. By combining technology with responsible resource management, StudyShare can contribute towards a more connected and sustainability learning community. That's all from our group. Thank you.